Filters are the primary means of searching in LogViewPlus, but other options are available, including highlights and autofilters. Let's take a quick look at autofilters. When enabled, I'm provided with a filter bar in the log entry grid, which allows me to search by column. Notice that searches are applied instantly. The default search is contains, but several other options are available. Let me just clear these autofilters before we look at highlights. Highlights are created by default when using a text filter, but they can also be created manually. Highlights make key text more noticeable by using strong background colors. Highlights are always applied globally across all open views and can be managed in the Highlights tab. Using the Highlights tab, I can quickly add, edit, and delete highlights. You can navigate highlights using either the toolbar or the keyboard shortcuts.